welcome to Ryan Foster Views. We're here in Galveston, Texas, making a left turn onto State Highway 275, also called Harborside Drive. This is the route you take to the Galveston cruise ship and pier, the port of Galveston, towards UTMB Hospital, and we are on the northern side of Galveston. This is the industrial side of Galveston, and it's literally a harborside drive. Just to our left would be the northern shore of Galveston Island, and this is not the touristy section of Galveston. It's where you'll find all the light processing factories, boat yards, some smaller ships and barges are made here. So, train yard also, mainly marine related, light industrial subjects. You'll find ship repair, inspection, just your general port needs. So as you can see on both sides of the road, you will see cranes on both sides, and they're basically doing their function in this industrial area. Like on our left, they're in the process of building a barge. There's some body shops, different pipe buildings, and so we had aggregates, auto supplies. You can rent equipment, booms, cranes. So this is like I said, where the blue collar jobs of Galveston are, where you get down and dirty to do the work that goes into marine equipment, port equipment, and just to make the island function, and in fact the greater Houston metropolitan area. A lot of equipment and things that are exported and imported in and out of Galveston make their way from this side into the Houston metropolitan area and beyond. Coming up on the left, you will see like oil storage tanks, or just a silhouette of oil storage tanks. Here another oversized load truck coming towards me of probably something that was imported into the island, and it's heading to its destination. Just went through the 53rd Street intersection. As you look off in the distance, you can see the port of Galveston, the cruise ship. I think that's the Carnival Breeze. It's been making its way in port, and I think been refueling and getting needed supplies. Also, you see some tubular objects with orange capping. Those are actually parts for wind turbines, and the cranes load those onto trains which take that into Houston, where they're either exported from the port of Houston or taken further into the mainland to wherever it's needed. Also, you'll find the train yard here. There's BNSF trains, there's Santa Fe trains. The columns or pipes for these turbines are made by CS Wind. On your right, there's a parking for those persons who are taking a cruise. It's indoor parking, climate controlled. You can leave your car there and take a shuttle to the cruise ship port. And then as we gander to our left, you will see one of the plants on the northern side of Galveston. Train tracks goes directly to these plants and they can pick up aggregates. You see the cruise ship there coming in further into view. And this is Harborside Drive. And this is where the industrial action takes place in Galveston. Thanks for watching. Ryan Foster Views. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It's free. Let us know what you think about Galveston. So it's actually the Carnival Vista that's here in port. So it's not a carnival ship. We now head into the more touristy section of Galveston. Thanks for watching. You can see the touristy section of Galveston in another video previously posted. See you in our next video.